There's a little blue-eyed male, Minuet, normal legs, really pretty, beautiful coat. Yeah, show your beautiful coat. Yeah, and this one here is a little black shaded golden, also a male. Both 10 weeks old and ready to go. Zaza is there, that's the mummy.